Joanna has lost over 60 pounds from the first day we started training. Today's video is gonna be amazing. I got Joanna here. A lot of you guys don't know her, but Joanna has lost over 60 pounds from the first day we started training. And today, what we're gonna do is a beginner's fat loss cardio. It's gonna be simple, so if you've never worked out, this video is for you because it's not gonna be anything you can't do. But when we're doing it, we're gonna do it at our pace. If you need longer breaks, you know, go ahead, pause the video, do what you gotta do. But the goal today should be for you to just finish. You know, everybody starts somewhere, but if you finish this workout, it's gonna be a big accomplishment. So we're gonna start with the warm up. All we're gonna do are some high knees. Just get those knees up, warming up the hip joints, getting our legs loose. You ready? This is gonna feel good. I hope to see a smile on your face after the workout. Okay, let's do some side steps. Just side to side, nothing crazy. Warming up everything in the hip. The adductors, the flexors, extensors. You know, you wanna have some healthy hips. You're doing good, you're doing good. Okay, let's do some butt kicks. All you gotta do, get those heels, try to touch your butt with them. That's it. Kick those glutes, kick them. You know, you might struggle if you have no glutes like me. But just try to get those heels up there. Okay, next one. All we gotta do, bend down a little bit, go up, just like that. After this, we're gonna start the workout. This is just to get your body ready. You know, the goal of this workout, since it's cardio, it should be just to get your heart rate up. You know, when your heart rate is up, that means your body is in fat burning mode. It's burning those calories. So the faster it's beating, the more calories it's burning. Okay, you guys ready? You ready? Workout? Okay, I got my stopwatch right here. So every move is gonna be 30 seconds. Some are gonna be 1 minute. But if you guys need to take a break, pause the video, okay? So, first workout, we're gonna do some squat reach outs. Let's go. So just squat down, reach up. Squat down, reach up. Reach down between your legs, just like that. So a little full body movement right here. You might feel the legs burning a little bit, but nothing crazy. Let's go. Okay, how's that?
Good.
Good, huh? You guys good? Okay, now we're gonna do some elbows to the knees. So with this one, you're gonna do opposite elbow, opposite knee. You're gonna do 30 seconds one way, just like this, 30 seconds. You know, if you want a little ab workout, just squeeze that core. Squeeze it, you're gonna feel it too. Just try not to elbow your knee too hard. Squeeze it. You got it. Squeeze that core, Joanna. Nice. Okay, opposite. Let's go. Other side. Ten more seconds. faster you go, the more intense you go. You know, go at your own pace. Okay.
Your face.
Okay, now we got modified burpees. The first day when I trained Joanna, she struggled with these. It's such a simple move, but it's just difficult for a lot of people. So, you know, I'm gonna make it look simple, but this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put our hands on the ground. You're gonna step out, you can step back, and get up. We're gonna do that for 30 seconds. This one's probably gonna be the hardest one. I'm warning you guys. 30 seconds, okay? Let's do it. You know, some of you might do this a little slower than us, but that's fine. You might only be able to do 3 or 5 in these 30 seconds, but it's okay. We all start somewhere. It's about improving. Over time, they're gonna get a lot easier, and you'll be able to do it like us. Okay, good job. You got through the hardest workout. I'm proud of you guys. Okay, now we're gonna do a little high knees, kind of like the warm up for 30 seconds. Let's do it. You know, if you need a longer break after those burpees, go ahead and take it. Pause the video, we're gonna be right here, waiting for you guys. Get those knees up. Touch them. Touch them with your hands. Okay, now we got punches, so all you're gonna do is this. Get a little hip action if you want. Let's go. You're punching the haters. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna do some standing twists. So with this one, you're just gonna twist, go like this. You're getting a little rotation on your hips, working out your abs a little bit. Let's go, Joanna. You got it. Don't fall forward. You gotta pivot. Okay, now we're gonna jog in place. Ready? It's 30 seconds. Simple jogging. Joanna's out here killing it. Okay, nice. We finished round one. We're gonna do one more round. You ready for this? You guys ready? I'm gonna give you guys a quick little 10-second break. But the first one we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to squat reach outs. So remember with this one, all you do is squat down, reach up. Ready? Let's go. If it's too easy for you, you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, squat lower. You're gonna feel the legs with this too. If you can't go that low, that's fine. Simple knee bent. It's all good. You know, don't compare your movements to ours. We're at a different fitness level. You know, I've been working out for years. Joanna's been working out for about a year, 2 years, a year. And you guys, if you guys are just starting, it's gonna look different. Okay, good job. Now we got elbow to knee. Let's go. Squeezing that core? That's right. Okay, now we got the other side. Let's do it. Remember, squeeze the core. Squeeze it. Good job. Okay, going back to modified burpees, everyone's favorite. If you need to mentally prepare yourself for this, go ahead. Let's do it. 30 seconds. Remember, step back, step up, stand up straight, come down, stand up straight. And okay, good job, we did it. Okay, now we got high knees. 30 seconds. If you need a break, let me know.
I'm good.
You good?
Maybe panting like a dog, but I'm good.
Don't worry, we're all breathing hard. And I got the mic, so they're hearing me. Okay, let's do some punches. Come on, show those boxing moves you have. Ooh, if you're punching like Joanna, you're going hard. Go at your own pace. 1, 2, if you need to, 1, 2. Whatever you could do. Okay, and we got next one. We got the twist. Ready? Let's go. Squeeze that core on this one too. You can feel it right here where the love handles are at. Okay, now we got jogging in place. 30 seconds. Oh. You're good. Feels so good. You know, just being able to move your body. I was injured for about 2 months. I was limping everywhere I was going. So this freedom of being able to move your body feels good. You learn to appreciate it. Okay, we did it.
That was it.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little cool down, but the hard part is done. So let's just cool down, high knees. Oh. You enjoyed it? You know, there's a lot of you guys who just are too afraid to take that first step. You know, the first step is the hardest step, but it's the most important step, because without it, you can't achieve what you want. You know, you need to take that first step. And once you do take that first step, now you gotta learn, now you gotta do whatever you can to keep it going, side step. You know, so you have to ask yourself, how important is this? How important is it for you to lose weight? You know, it's not just about how you're gonna look, but also how you're gonna feel. You know, if you have kids, you're gonna be able to play with them, have more energy. You know, there's a lot of positive things that happen with losing weight. I just mentioned a few, but another thing is just your confidence. That confidence you get, you have a goal and you reach it, it's gonna bring you a new confidence you've never had, right? But, you know, we're done here. Thank you guys for joining us. I'm gonna try to upload more beginner-friendly workouts for you guys. But if you wanna follow us on our social medias, Booty King, bb.jobana. Okay, we're out. Oh, that was good.